Okay, everyone, welcome back uh, to the video. Since the last time we've uploaded the last video, to recap from the last video, we've started to implement this quicksort algorithm. It's still not where we need it to be, so let's just grind it out today. Um, I've watched the video, and it seems like the resolution of the video is surrounded by black boxes, and the resolution of the video is very small. It's because I've just started learning how to use OBS. So yeah, apologies for that. But let's get it to it, shall we? So in this video, I'm just gonna start by yeah, it's like I said, uh, going through the implementation once again. But okay, so from what we've done from last time, so we've just did this method of selecting the pivot, where which we agreed to select the pivot uh, which is located in the middle of the which is the element located in the middle of the array, and we sort of said that okay, we're just going to select the middle one, the middle number, the middle element, because as gigs for gigs said, it is time complexity wise is the most optimal. But yeah, I think that's all. But so since the last time, I've went through the code and did add some methods here, which is perform partitioning, which we will get into this video, is to implement the low muto partitioning. With this quicksort method, I'm not really sure whether should I implement it or not, since I think we don't really need it. And also, I put this little comment here saying that we should return I'll say the location or the index value instead of the value of the element. We need to return the index of the array. So since we have like 10 numbers here, so we should get somewhat in the middle, the value that sits in the middle. So if it's 5, then we just have to select this one, which is number 1. But then it will be, yeah, I think we need to sell this one first. Because since this is an even number, so, but we can't create any like a million number here, so we're just gonna select 5 here. I think this is the correct implementation, I'm not sure. So yeah, but for now we're just gonna return pivot -1. So the reason we return pivot -1 is because it is the most optimal and is yeah, I think there's a change of implementation after I went through the code. I don't want to straight away return the value of the array. Might fear that there could be something wrong with the code. So yeah, so then we should add the value of the pivot here. Setting. create a pivot element, I suppose. And then, so just gonna put in pivot equals, what array, choose pivot, sorry. Choose pivot array, yes. That's the value that we want. Hmm. So just say ARR. For some reason it doesn't pick up the value, which is weird. Hmm. It's not calling this. Maybe if we add a number here. Or maybe it's because it's not public. I think that could be the reason. Anyway. No. Why is it not blurring? Why is it not turning red? I have no idea. Well, anyway, I think this is. Let me just go fix this value first, okay? And I'll get back to you. Okay, everyone, I'm back. So, since I've been away from coding, I haven't coded in so long. I forgot what is an object-oriented language. What is it? So we need first things first. We need to create this class. After all, this is not uh, an OP kind of situation, you know. So just try this quick sort.qs. Now it's highlighted in yellow. What? Let us try to call this class. New quick sort, yeah. Maybe because I haven't compiled this. Let's just comment that out. I think because I haven't compiled this class, that's why. But yeah, I think pivot variable. Yeah, that's more like it. So now we are trying to do the partitioning. So based on the Limito principle, okay, so the logic is simple. We start from the leftmost element and keep track of the index smaller or equal elements. Keep track of in the index of smaller or equal elements as I. While traversing, if we find a small element, we sort the current element with RI. So it's trying to say, I guess we need two. We start from the leftmost, keep equal. So I is also traversing, but we also need another variable to traverse along with I, because this part of the sentence here describes that we need a variable, if I'm assuming correctly. Geeks for Geeks offer this offer this diagram. We can look. So pivot selection, we have selected 40, the last element, okay. Initial point is -1, J0. Huh. That is weird. Okay. Oh boy. So, so we are also gonna call a variable in I and in J 0. Create a variable for index. Okay, so then what should we do? Uh, so we should call the integer array as well. And also we need to call the pivot as well. In pivot, and then in pivot element pivot. Hope is correct. Yeah, seems alright, I suppose. But yeah, I think we can stop here, and this video is getting too long. But yeah, we'll catch you guys later.